Hi guys, and in this video we're going to be talking about the classic force. So it's one of the most insane magic tricks that you've ever seen, but at the same time it's really hard. So let's get started with the classic force. So guys, here's what I have to say about the amazing force. So it is a really nice magic trick, but at the same time it's hard, and that's what stops us to do it on the streets. But I have tried it several times and it has worked a lot of times. So here is how much I have worked on my force, and here is the performance. Alright, so I'm going to give the deck a shuffle, just like that, and I'm going to give the deck some cards, just like that. Now I'm going to have my spectator choose any card from the middle of the deck. Just want to show the card to the camera. Now I'm going to take your card and place it in the center. Alright, now I'm going to read your mind. So please bring the camera up to my face just so that they can see I'm not doing it. So I think the card was a red card, and it was a 3, and I think it's the 3 of diamonds. Alright guys, so as you saw that, it looks almost seamless. Now I know that some people will say it's fake, but it's not fake at all. It was completely original. So I hope you guys like this video. Now I just want to say that please don't let the hardness of this force stop you from doing this on the streets. So please try this out, and I'm sure that it will work 99% of times. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Goodbye.